yourself to a peaceful and serene bedroom with a separate sitting area. It's the perfect place to relax, read a book, enjoy a cup of coffee, or simply take a break from your daily routine. If this sounds appealing to you, explore our designer-approved ideas for creating the ultimate spot to unwind in your bedroom. Before creating a master bedroom with a separate sitting area, keep these simple tips in mind. Select a focal point such as a fireplace, large window, or artwork. Consider the needs of the occupants and incorporate couples' bedroom ideas if needed. Choose comfortable and stylish furniture that matches the space. Add ambient lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. And ensure that the size of the sitting area is proportional to the available floor space. You can create a simple bedroom with a separate sitting area, even if you have limited space. One clever trick from designers is to add a stylish bench at the foot of the bed. This provides an extra spot to relax without occupying too much room. Additionally, you can include a small sea table for a convenient place to place drinks that can be easily stored away. Choose oversized furniture for maximum comfort, perfect for unwinding after a tiring day. However, this option is suitable only for those with ample space. Ensure that the size of your furniture matches the room and complements the existing pieces. To establish a designated sitting area in your master bedroom, consider using an area rug as an anchor. This technique effectively divides the room into separate zones, each serving its own purpose. Additionally, the rug introduces texture and provides a cozy feel underfoot.